Yes, South Africa is not motivated by Buhle Samules' recently achievement. People are saying that why she's not being dragged like Michelle and Damase. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story today. You know the rules of the house is somebody and peace and Vasella. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. Anyway, guys, for those who don't know what happened, so Buhle Samuel, she just recently bought a pouch. She took it to Instagram and posted this mini video, and also Amapepandaba, they decided to take the same mini video and post it on their Instagram account. The comment section were on fire. Some went on to say that I can never be motivated by South African slay queens. Dr. Nandipa was the once a role model. Some are saying that why she's not dragged like Mimi. I wonder why the different treatment. This other one went on to say that because Mimi was a hot topic. Some are saying that we really miss Musa Kaula. Musa Kaula was gonna tell us where did she get the money to buy this expensive car. People are saying that not motivated at all. We know where she got the money to buy this car. Another one went on to say that until when it is this woman going to be living this fake happiness life, and next thing the stolen boyfriend is gone with the car again. Some are saying that it is bought by her married BF Voyani. Yo, I can imagine the poor wife shame. Guys, there's a lot of people that are saying that. Some are saying that, yeah, we are used to this type of life. Most of these slave queens, they come here celebrate, and then after a few months, a lot of stuff are gone. Now they are coming to social media crying again. So this time we are not motivated. We want to see the receipt. We want to see where did she get all this kind of money. Some are saying that, you know what, her body works for her. She must be proud of herself. Some went on to say that Afeze Savela, after she feed the dogs and chicken, then Bunhleza she get an expensive automobile. So at least I drive someone's son crazy. Joking, congratulations to her. Well, others are saying that it is not giving shame. Hlang akukhalisi kakhulu motivated. Some are saying that one thing about these women, they will post and shop, but nothing new. We are used to this type of lifestyle. So anyway, guys, what do you think about this situation? Don't you think we should celebrate her and just say that well done, baby girl? Well, others are saying that as long as she is allegedly busy with this married man, we're not gonna celebrate her. That's not her hard work. I don't know what to say, but I don't know conversation. What do you think? Do not forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. Bye.